Samsung is right now in the pre-order ending phase and in the delivery mode right now. We already know that the S24 series is absolutely great when it comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. There is Galaxy AI features bombardment inside the device and it's going to be absolutely great. We have seen that Galaxy S24 Ultra will be packing a new Gorilla Glass armor frame, and Samsung did not talk much about that, except they said that it's going to be superior in durability and has more scratch resistance. But in reality, Gorilla Glass armor is set to perform up to 3 times better on drop test and shows over 4 times more scratch resistance as compared to its predecessor. Anyhow, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra display has significant lower light reflection. Using the phone under sunlight or other bright light does not cause any annoying reflection. This new Gorilla Glass armor is bringing reduced reflection by up to 75%. It's a shockingly glare free to the point that you start noticing how bad the light reflection can be on the other devices. You can no longer have an angle your phone or shade it to see what is on the display. As the bright and glare free display does the job without needing any assistant, it sounds like small change but has a good impact on the overall user experience of the S24 Ultra. For its scratch resistant, the YouTube channel PBK Review tested the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the most hardness pick, and the result was surprisingly good. The Galaxy S24 Ultra displays scratch visibility with level 8 picks. These were also faint scratches at level 7, but the camera could not pick them up, so they should be light enough to ignore. For context, more other phones including Galaxy S23 Ultra with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 scratch quite visible with the level 6 picks and get deeper grooves at level 7. The S24 Ultra appears to perform significantly better in this regard. If you don't buy into the scratch resistance claim and prefer to use a screen protector on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, there is a good news on this end too. The flat display of the S24 Ultra make it super easy to use the screen protector of all kinds, plastic or glass. And from the look of the things, the Galaxy S24 Ultra may not even need one. One trading off is the anti-reflective perspective of the Gorilla Glass armor may actively dissuade people from installing one. However, as expected, the tempered glass screen protector does not let you enjoy the anti-reflective protective of the Gorilla armor on the S24 Ultra. It's my advice that you should not put the case on the device because it has a better scratch resistance and an anti-glare feature which definitely help you out in outdoors. It remains to be seen if the anti-glare protection return or it's an experiment permanent effect of the coating. Either way, the Galaxy S24 Ultra Gorilla Glass armor is a winner that Samsung isn't hyping off. As of now, the pre-orders are still going on, and if you wanted to purchase the S24 series, here is the link in the description box. You can check them out as well. Galaxy S24 Ultra cases, the links are in the description as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.